Good morning, grade 7. Let's see question 2 from question number 5, set 41. Now in question 5, there are 5 questions. First question we have seen in previous video. Now this is the second question. Here rate is given as 6%. T time, which is 4 years. Interest they have given 1200 rupees. We have to find principal and amount. Now see students, first you know interest formula is P into R into T upon 100. Substitute I. How much is I? 1200, which is equal to P into 6 into 4 upon 100. Now, we want P, so we are going to shift this 3 numbers. This is in denominator, it will go in numerator. So, it is equal to 1200 into 100 and 6 and 4 will go in denominator. 6 into 4. Up till here, is it clear? Okay, now next is 1200 into 100 upon 6 fours are 24. Now see, 12 ones are 12 and these 2 zeros. 12 twos are 24. Alright, 2 ones are and 2 50s are. 50 into 100, your P will be equal to rupees 5000. This is your first answer. We have to find amount as well. So amount will be equal to principal plus interest. So that is 5000 plus 1200. It comes out to be 1200. So 6200 rupees. You can write rupees like this or you can write at the end rupees. I hope second problem is clear. It's very easy. Okay. Now let's go for third one. We'll go for third one. Now look at the second problem. Third problem. Principal is 8000, rate is 5%. T means time in years we have to find out. I is 800. Amount we have to find out. Again start with interest formula. P into R into T upon 100. I value is given, so substitute, which is equal to P value substitute, R value substitute, T as it is upon 100. Now I want to find T, I will shift all others. So it will be 800 into 100. This is in division, here it will go in multiplication. This is in multiplication. If you just shift it from right hand side to left hand side, it will go in denominator. So it will be 8000 into 5, which will be equal to T. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros, 1, 2 and 1 0 gone. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. 8, 8. So what is T? Therefore, T is equal to 2. Write the unit. This is time, so it is always in years. Now, we have to find amount as well. So, what is amount? You know amount is principal plus interest. So, which will be equal to 8000, that is principal, plus 800. So, it comes out to be rupees 8800. So, this is your amount. Okay. This was third. Now let's go for fourth one. We'll go for fourth one. Now let's go for fourth question. Principal is not given and time is also not given. But we have amount, interest and rate. Now using first amount is equal to principal plus interest. If you subtract interest from amount, you will get principal. So principal will be 18,000 minus 6,000, which is equal to 12,000. So first you calculate principal. So this is your first answer. Now using principal, rate and interest, you can find T. Now use formula I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So this can be used later. First you find out principal using this formula. A is equal to P plus I. And then you find out interest. So P into R into T upon 100. Therefore 6000 is equal to 12,000 into 5 into T upon 100. Okay. Now 6,000 upon 120 into 5. This 2 zeros and this 2 zeros can be cancelled. So we are left with 6,000 over here. 120 into 5 will go in denominator, which is equal to T. So 1 0 cancelled. 12 ones and 12 5s are 60. This 0 as it is. So remains 50. 5 ones are and 5 tens are. So time is equal to 10 years. So principal is 12,000 rupees and time is equal to 10 years. Okay. Now only last problem is remaining from question number 5. Let's do that quickly. Now let's go for the last problem from question number 5. Principal is not given. Rate is 2.5, that is 2.5%. Time is 5 years. Interest is 2,400. We have to find amount. So amount and principal both we have to find out. Now what is interest? P into R into T upon 100. Interest is 2,400 into P is not known. Rate is 2.5. 2.5 is 2.5. Okay. Time is 5 upon 100. Now very carefully look. 100, it will go in multiplication. 2.5 and 5 will come in denominator, which is equal to P. Now see the calculations. 5 ones and 5 20s are. Now we are left with 2400 into this 20 as it is. I want to get rid with this point. So I am multiplying over here by 10 and below also I am multiplying by 10. So 2.5 into 10 automatically becomes 25. So here I have written 25 with no point. And to compensate, here I have multiplied with 10. If I am multiplying numerator by 10, I need to multiply denominator also by 10. In fact, because I want to remove this point, I have multiplied below by 10 and so I am multiplying numerator also by 10. Now look at the calculations. 5 5s are 25 and 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are and 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. So you have 2400 into 8, which comes out to be 19,200, which is your principal. So this is your first answer. Okay. That is rupees. And amount is principal plus interest. So 19,200 plus 2,400 will give you 21,600. Alright. So this is the end of question 5 and the end of topic as well. Okay. So that's all from my side for today, students. Please do all the problems very neatly in your notebook. Thank you.